Creating my Star Wars Ewok Babymobile. First I went to Joann's to get some felt and a metal ring. Then I took some craft cord and I wrapped it tightly around that metal ring to give it this nice look. I next made some pattern pieces for the things I wanted on my mobile. I went ahead and traced them onto felt and cut them out, making sure that I made a front and a back so I could sew them together, stuff it with fluff, but make sure to leave that hole in the top so you could stuff the fluff in and then close it. I did this for every single item that I wanted on my mobile. I next then created some detailing pieces for the Ewok, creating the face and the belly. I went ahead and cut those out. I then went ahead and made a front and a back piece for the Ewok and went ahead and traced that. I then cut those out, and I also made the signature little hood for the Ewok, making sure that one side had a face and one side was closed in the back. I then went ahead and laid all the detail pieces on the front of my Ewok, and once I liked it, I sewed it on. Once the front detail pieces were done, I then took the back part of the hood, pinned it to the back part of the Ewok, held the front and back together, and sewed them together. Once the Ewoks were completed, I then took these pom-pom balls and went ahead and trimmed them just in case I was going to use them. I then took my wood beads and strung them on the string. I used these for detailing on my mobile. Once I determined my mobile string length, I went ahead and made a hole for a hook, and I also punctured all my felt pieces with a chopstick so I was able to put them on my mobile. I used this little device to string the string through each felt piece. I did end up using the pom-poms, and here's the final look.